Are you struggling to make eye-catching posters? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple and effective way to create professional, attention-grabbing posters using Canva. Now let's get started. So guys, once you logged in your Canva account and create a design, I'm going to use 3x4. And then I'm going to go to the uploads. I'm going to use this picture right here. Okay. And I'm going to make sure it fits my canvas page. Once it fits my canvas page, I am going to go to the top and duplicate the page, and I'm going to decrease this page to about 50%. I am going to enlarge it, basically crop the page. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to do background remover, and then we're going to the right corner, click share. We're going to download as a PNG. Make sure it's transparent background. Click download. Okay, we're going to open it up, and then we're going to drag the file to our left. Okay guys, so then we're going to go back to page 1. Then we're going to click on our picture that we downloaded. Okay, we're going to put them on top of him, right? Okay guys, so when that's done, we're going to go to apps on the left side, and we're going to type in easy reflections. We're going to click on it. We're going to click on the left, the shoe here. We're going to create a reflection, and make sure you have this box highlighted here that we added from the upload. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on above, and we're going to increase this all the way to 100. Okay, click all the way to 100, and then we're going to add the design. You can see it right here. Okay, we're going to flip it vertical. We're going to delete this image right here, guys, because we no longer need it. And we're going to drag this to the top, okay, and expand it. Make it larger, okay? Okay, guys, and you're going to bring it up on top. All right. And what you're going to do is copy and paste. All right. Make sure you put the picture exactly on top of one another, and paste again. All right. And paste again. Up to about 4 or 5 times. Okay, I think we'll do it one more time. Okay guys, so next thing we want to do is grab our guy right here. We're going to show in layers, and we're going to bring him to the front. Okay, I'm going to put him right there. Okay, so guys, what you can do next is delete the picture from below. Guys, that looks pretty good to me. And so the next thing you want to do, go to share and go to download and click download. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.